So good evening, gentlemen. This is Simon alias the Nerd of Algorithms. Well, I am on the way of completing this drawing of practical giant size. Look at how large it is. About a car, rally car, which is carving at a stunning speed and marking the ground so fast it is going. And the next stage would be to draw some super fan teenagers here in this area, at a safe distance from the car, even considering its inertia, which tends in that direction, taking photos of it and dancing everything. Luckily, I do not have to draw girls because they have to be beautiful, and that's more difficult to draw, while men better than a frog are already good. Even this car has a big issue. Now, this is polystyrol. Look, it's polystyrol. It's a plastic material. I don't have a counterpart. It's not the painter's canvas or whatever. It's polystyrol. But thanks to the new technologies of permanent markers, we can do some drawings. The problem is I tried to make as much effort as possible to make the best out of the permanent marker, and just a secondary use of the colors, because the color stuff can somehow may go bad with the radiation, even on the visible light spectrum, not even ultraviolet. But let's go on. The drawing is not fully finished, but it will consist in this core. This core just steering heavily at like 100 kilometers per hour, and here there should be a bunch of teenagers looking at the scene and taking photographs. The only lucky thing is that since the rally is generally interested only for males, I can afford, as far as I can reckon, to draw them well as a boy, or whatever, call it, a man, boy, man. If more beautiful than a frog is already good. Why not so far for girls? So it's fine. A color system is still experimental. However, I took care of the lighting system, which is a great deal. Even if now, well, one has radar systems, infrared lighting, infrared sync systems. I use them as well. But cars have these great lights. I think is great impression. Now, the tire marks are not ready, but I think that I've done quite a lot of work with the tire system and what it surrounds. This part should remain white, as if the sunlight were so strong as to obliterate any color sensing system, including our own eyes and whatever system, except maybe the best space telescopes, but what the hell. So I'd even conclude this video here. It's on the way. It will be there. Don't worry. I even took care of the lights. I repeat again. And what I plan to do is then to make an attachment picture, like for example here, where I do a close-up on the driver, who is a teenager, moreover without any driving license ever had. Okay, which is quite typical of winter rail races and also other kinds of races. And yeah, and so well. Well, let's get on with it. This was Simon, alias the Nervous Vagrants, year 2023.